Okay, today is a very special day, so we're flying at the air show today. This might be a big interest because last time I did it, I crashed, but I'm signing up again because they fixed my F-15 and made it more stronger. So let's start off. Let's go. Okay, advanced mode ready. Let's go, boy. Oh, we're upside down. Striker. Okay. Ooh, a front flip, I think. Oh my god, I'm doing so much backflips right now, bro. Let's see. This is so crazy. Ooh. Oh my god, imagine I fell right there. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm alive. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Man, this F-15 just really saved my life now, bro. Except that one video. Yo, we're doing the air show, man. It's like another military base here for the air show. Okay, time to land this big boy. Okay, we need to wait for it to cool, to cool down, cause it's really, faster now and it's hot. So yeah, so let's just land as a big boy. Land as a big boy. Okay, let's land as a big boy. Bro, it's too much speed, bro. It's too much speed. Oh shit. Oh, boom! Okay, we're slowing down a bit. Let's get. Okay, we're slowing down a bit. Okay. We buttered. We landed! Safely, I told you we would fly safely. Well, let's do another air show, I guess. So let's turn around real quick. We do another air show. So let's go. Okay, advanced mode on, boy. Oh my god. This thing is crazy now, bro. Striker, I love you, bro. Maxwell. Oh my god, I don't hate that fuel tanker. If we did, we were cooked if we did. Boom. Flying. Backflip to go back to the airport now. Let's slow it down now. Okay, buddy. Let's try to slow it down. I forgot to disable my guns. So let's try to land as a big boy. Okay, butter this landing. Oh my god, that's hard butter. But we need to wait. Okay. It's slowing down. I think I need to boost it a bit to land it. Okay. Let's land, bro. Butter right there, bro. That's butter right there. That is butter right there, bro. That was freaking butter right there. Well, I hope you love this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm gonna take this as my profile picture now. So see you guys later. So bye bye.